In our previous video, we studied the formation of galaxies, stars, planets, solar system, etc., which were formed after the Big Bang. Now let's find out how the Earth was formed. How was the Moon formed? How our Earth got its magnetic field? And how were the continents formed? The universe was filled with hydrogen and small amounts of helium. As the universe expanded, the galaxies formed in the areas of higher concentrations of hydrogen and helium. About 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was formed from the cloud of gas and dust which slowly contracted under mutual gravity of all its particles. The cloud became a disk. Inside it, the largest concentration of matter was at the center. This became the Sun. Matter collected in smaller clumps out in the disk became planets. When the Sun was formed, due to its gravity, all the planets of the solar system started to orbit around it. Here, Earth was orbiting the Sun 4.5 billion years ago. It was at this stage that was named as Hadean Eon, which was a very infinitely long period where the Earth was extremely hot because the asteroids and meteoroids continuously bombarded the Earth, causing volcanic eruptions. Due to its high temperature, it started melting, because of which denser liquid sank to the center of the Earth and less dense liquid rose to the top. Also, some elements evaporated. In this way, the Earth now has a metallic iron core and a rocky silicate mantle. This resulted in the formation of layers of the Earth: the core, mantle, crust, and the atmosphere. Also, it had got its magnetic fields by then. Without this, the Earth would have been a blast from the harmful radiation of the Sun. There was no oxygen present on the planet yet. The Moon was formed by this time due to a protoplanet collision into the Earth. The formation of Moon is called the giant impact hypothesis. According to this hypothesis, Earth experienced the very worst collision with a planet named Theia, which was approximately the size of Mars. Not long after the Earth was formed, Theia struck Earth. Theia's metal core merged with Earth's core, and debris from outer silicate layer was cast into space. The material within the ring coalesced into a new body in orbit around the Earth, giving us our Moon. The debris may have coalesced in 10 years. It is believed that these collisions may have triggered the chemical building block of life, that is, DNA. After a long period, the Earth's climate began to stabilize. This was a necessary step for continents to form. Because of the cooler climate in the Archean Aeon, the lithosphere became more stable. As the Earth's crust cooled down, plate tectonic led to the formation of continents and water basins. The vapors condensed to form ocean. The existence of Earth's magnetic field beyond 3.5 billion years ago is still a mystery. Today, the Earth's magnetic field is powered by solidification of planet's liquid iron core. The cooling and crystallization of the core stirs up the surrounding liquid iron, creating a powerful electric current that generates a magnetic field stretching far out into the space. So now you know how the basic structure of our Earth was formed. The first supercontinent formed was named Valbara. The moon has quakes too and are called moonquakes. Earth's core is as hot as the sun's surface. In our next video, we'll be explaining how life came into existence on Earth. Till then, stay tuned, stay curious. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our videos.